MicroMax Canvas Pulse, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon, find and select the settings, scroll down, and here let's tap language and input under personal tab. Tap language at the top of the screen right here, and here you can use the language from the following list. Let me choose, for example, Espanol from España. As you can see, the whole list of settings is in Spanish right now. If you would like to go back to previous version, to the English one, let's choose here the idioma introducción de texto, type idioma, and place here, for example, English from United States. That's it. Right now you can use the English version of your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.